In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the quiz feature. Currently, I've got my default page layout in front of me. Click on the section as a whole, click on the plus icon that appears at the bottom of it. And under the Widgets tab, just simply select Quiz System. Now you'll be able to see question 1 appear. Make sure that the entire quiz system has been selected. You know that you're doing this right when a bounding box appears around the element. Now once that's done, on the right side of the page under the Contents tab and the Quiz System drop-down menu, you could either choose to add a new question or simply edit questions. So let's just go ahead and edit question number 1. Click on the icon over here. And now instead of just option, let's just add alphabets. For example, A, B, C, and D. Now keep in mind that the correct answer for this question would be option A, but you could also choose from option B, C, and D. Click on Update Question, and as you can see, our question has gotten updated successfully. Now click on Add Question. Now enter your question over here. Add a few options. And choose the correct answer to be option C. Click on Add Question, and our question has gotten added. Now once you're done with the edits to your quiz system, let's go ahead and take a look at it under the preview mode. And this right here is our quiz system. Now we know the correct answer for this question would be option A. So let's just go ahead and click on the box next to option A. Click on Next, and question 2 appears. We know that the correct answer for question 2 would be option C, but let's just go ahead and click on option D, for example. Now click on Submit. We get our result. We could also choose to go back to a question. We could also choose Next, or simply refresh the quiz altogether. And that's it on the quiz feature.